Now we're ready to do our orthographic views. File, New, Ferny Grove State High School template. When we open it from a template, we'll be prompted to put in the fields that are required. Section view is not the finished name for this, but it'll do for now. And there's our template. Base view will be, because our drawing is already open, it will put that in there automatically. We wish the scale to be 1:1, not half. Now we can put in 1 as a decimal. If you wish, you can put in a ratio, same thing. And we do not choose these. These will give you projected views of those parts. What we want is the view box. We want a top view. Okay. Now we need a section view all the way through here. Section, snap onto midpoint without clicking. Click once, click twice, right click, continue, and it will automatically produce our section view. All these are correct. This is wrong because it's sectioning the web. We need to correct it. Now we've done basic corrections before. This is how we do a better version of what we did before. This section goes through the web. It's wrong. We need to hide it. It's still there, but it's hidden. We won't see it. The lines that we need are there, but they're hidden. So we bury down in here, dig down in here until we find the part. You can turn on the hidden lines for the whole assembly, which would be wrong. Make sure you're turning on the hidden detail lines for the clamp jaw only. So right click, hidden lines, click that. Yes, we wish to continue, and the hidden lines will appear. They're the lines that we want, but we don't want them in hidden detail. We'll need to change them. Step 1, delete what we don't need. We don't want that one. Turn the visibility off. Click, right click, turn visibility off. We don't need that one. And what we need to do now is change these to the outline layer. On A3, the outline layer will be 0.5 of a millimeter and a continuous line. So click the first one, hold down the control key, and pick the rest of them. Make sure the mouse is still picking that, holding down the control key, right click, properties. It's not a by layer anymore, which is hidden detail. You want to change it manually to continuous, and because it's A3, the outline will be 0.5 of a millimeter. And we have our correct outlines done for us. To do the cross-hatching, the easiest way is to start a new sketch. So make sure the drawing is picked as evidenced by the dotted line. Start sketch, and we just project geometry of all the lines forward onto that sketch, so we have an outline that we can hatch between. This last one here will not give us a short line, so we just draw that in manually. Line, standard line from snap to snap. Forgot these ones. Now, when we go hatch geometry, it defaults to ANSI 31, which gives us 45 degrees. That's good enough for what we want. Pick the two areas. We can edit these if necessary. They're all fine. Finish sketch, and our section view has been corrected.